Today, we're checking out the dedicated camera kit for the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. The experience starts with an eye-catching box featuring a beautiful landscape design that immediately grabs your attention and makes you want to see what's inside. Opening the package, the first thing we get is a custom-made protective case. It comes with a premium vegan leather finish and a built-in kickstand, and the texture feels really nice in the hand. The Huawei branding gives it a distinctive look that photography fans will definitely appreciate. Now let's take off the back cover, and this looks seriously impressive. With the matching protective case and lanyard included, Huawei users finally get a complete photography-focused accessory kit of their own, so there's no reason to feel left behind by other brands offering dedicated telephoto camera accessories. Since the Pura series is built around mobile photography, this kit feels like a natural extension of the overall experience. Let's put everything together. The case includes lanyard attachment points on both sides, while the bottom hides a fold-out stand. Even if you never use the external lens attachment, the case alone delivers premium quality, useful features, and a solid feel. It also works flawlessly as a stand in both landscape and portrait mode, staying stable the entire time. Next up is the intelligently designed camera grip. Just slide it into place, press it down, and you're ready for a much more camera-like shooting experience. It includes dedicated buttons for the shutter, zoom, video recording, along with extra customizable controls that make capturing photos and videos much easier. Now it's time to check out the lens attachment. Instead of the usual threaded mounting system, Huawei has gone with a smart clip-on mechanism. It's quick to install, feels effortless, and locks firmly into place. And now for the highlight of the entire kit. Opening the lens case reveals a truly impressive piece of hardware. Just look at it. It looks fantastic. Align it with the mount, twist until you hear that satisfying click, and the installation is finished. With that, your Huawei phone instantly transforms into a camera-inspired shooting setup. The grip is comfortable to hold, and there's even a dedicated support bracket for the lens. Swing it into position, and whether you're placing it on a table or attaching it to a tripod, the bottom support keeps everything stable and secure. From this perspective, the setup almost resembles a compact digital camera with its distinctive long lens look, while the phone's camera modules remain fully visible. I'll be sharing a complete camera review using this accessory kit very soon. If you're excited to see the camera performance and real-world results, don't forget to subscribe and join our growing tech community. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!